This video here, I'm just going to explain why I thought the draw liquidity was the buy side and the potential entries that you could have got into. So if we look on the left, there's buy side that's just been taken, and then it ran lower. That run lower is manipulation, in my opinion, and then it made if you see a bullish breaker, so it made a low and then a higher high. Draw that bullish breaker across. Inside that bullish breaker is a fair value gap. That fair value gap is a really nice entry to get in. The stops could literally be below the bullish breaker, or if you want to be a little bit more conservative, it could be below that other BUYSIDE. The buy side is that the draw liquidity, sorry, is the buy side that I showed just there. Also, if you go on the daily, there is a daily SIBI, which EU hasn't run into yet. I don't have it on here, but it's literally probably like a couple pips above, 10 pips or so above where my target is. If you look on GU, which is pound dollar, it's already ran into that SIBI, and EU hasn't, so EU is lacking. So I thought EU potentially wants to catch up and run into the daily SIBI. So that's why my bias was bullish. And if you look at the DXY, if you look at the 5th of September, it's a Tuesday, there's a new daily opening gap. If you draw that across, price breaks below it and retests it perfectly and runs lower, and it runs into the sell side, which correlates nicely with buying the euro dollar. So if you draw that up on your chart, it's really nice. Just an extra confidence for it to go long. So yeah, if you see now, it just taps into pretty sure it taps into another fair value gap and also an order block, which it could be potentially another entry. I was waiting for a silver bullet setup, which is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., which would be nice. Pretty sure I type it out here. I stopped recording now though, because I did see a setup on the Nasdaq, which is the video I did just a minute ago, or the previous video. So yeah, that's why I stopped recording, and I just recorded it back just to see where price ended up going, and it did end up hitting the target. If you draw a fib from the high to the low of the daily SIBI to find the consequent encouragement and the quarter level, so it's 25% and 75%. It just misses the 50%, which is the consequent encouragement, but it taps into the 25%, a little bit above, which could be another target if you use long. But yeah, just literally keep it really simple. That's probably the best thing I'd say. Try not to overcomplicate what ICT teaches. Keep it really simple for yourself. Find what suits you. For me, it's the breakers, fair value gaps, silver bullets. If you like OTEs, order blocks, etc., stick to that. If you see someone else trading something that you don't really trade, don't even follow what they do. Stick to what you like. Like everyone has different things. As you hear, price actually ran quite nicely. This is what we call a low liquidity trade, low resistance liquidity trade. Sorry. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll leave my Discord below if you want to message me. So yeah, cool.